This dessert will make you feel like you're eating a fluffy mango cloud of goodness. Taking me back to those high school days. When I was in university, I used to head out to this tiny little strip mall with my friends to enjoy Hong Kong style mango pancakes. These are really thin pancakes that are custardy in texture and flavor, and they're super silky and stuffed with lightly sweetened whipped cream and fresh ripe mango. The combination is irresistible and it kept bringing us back over and over again. And I'm so excited to share this recipe with you today because it's nice and simple and such a showstopper. So the very first thing that we're gonna do is create the batter for the pancakes, and I'm starting off with a little bit of whole milk. Now to a sieve, I'm going to add some cornstarch, a little bit of all-purpose flour, as well as some powdered sugar, and we're gonna shake it until it drops to the bottom and there are no lumps left. Then we're gonna whisk it until it's really nice and smooth. I'm gonna crack in 3 eggs and spoon in a little bit of melted butter, and again give it a really nice whisk, and as you can tell, it takes on a gorgeous yellow color because of those yolks in the egg. Now before we start cooking our pancakes, there are a couple other things that we have to take care of, starting with our mango. So I have some beautifully fresh, ripe mango here. I'm just going to peel it, cut it off the seed, and then cut it into small chunks, and that's good to go. Next, for the whipped cream, could not be simpler. 35% heavy cream going into a bowl with a touch of powdered sugar. And again, we're gonna give that a nice whisk until it's airy, light, and fluffy. Making the pancake itself is quite an easy process. I have a large frying pan here. It's about 8 inches in diameter and on low heat. I'm gonna take a nice spoonful of the batter, pour it into the middle of the pan, and quickly swirl to cover the bottom. Now the pancake's gonna cook no longer than a minute, and then I'm gonna gently peel it off the pan and lay it on a flat surface to cool. And we're gonna repeat this process for the remaining batter. Our pancakes are so delicate and thin, almost fabric-like, and they've completely cooled to room temperature. Now I'm gonna take a scoop of that sweetened whipped cream, plop it right in the middle of the pancake, and take the same ice cream scoop and place the same quantity of chopped mango on top. I'm gonna fold over the sides to create somewhat of an omelet-like shape, then flip in the other sides, turn it over, and just like that, our beautiful Hong Kong style mango pancakes are ready. These mango pancakes look so fluffy and beautiful. Let's cut one in half and look at the interior, chock full of mango and cream. And you know, there's only one thing left to do, right? Taking me back to those high school days. Puffy, fluffy, delicious. This is one of those desserts that truly melts in your mouth. The crepe is so silky and tender, and that's because we added our secret ingredient, cornstarch, in there. And then as soon as you bite in, it gives way to the fluffiest whipped cream, which envelops the fruity, sweet mango. Such a winning combination, so simple, so light. In fact, so light that you could probably sit here and eat the entire batch and not even know it. These are my Hong Kong style mango pancakes, the perfect treat for any day.